We got Chevy versus Ford, probably versus Dodge. What do we got?
This one I believe is a...
That's a Chevy.
Chevy. Green flag, here they go. Time to start. He's going to let her rip down the chute.
Little bit of push there.
Little push and slide action there on the back chute. Now he's going to come back into the main course. Over jump one. Jump two. Yeah, buddy, there he goes. Lock it up, lock it down. Uh-oh.
You didn't like man.
Yeah. Here we go. Now he's going to try the big jump. There he goes over the big jump. Take that one a little bit easier. Come back across. He's got one more lap to let her eat. Taking a little bit easier that time there, the 0-1. Learn to scrub some speed there as he comes over the big jump to complete. Sideways, takes out some barricades. Uh-oh. He might be stuck.
I'm pretty sure this affects his lap time.
Oh yeah, this is a timed event. Able to get unstuck there. Here he comes, checkered flag at the stand. There he goes. We'll see what happens here. Cole's gonna get clear of the track. And time is going. Here he goes over the jump, race fans. There's one. There's two. Gonna have to make that corner, do the big one now. Lock up them brakes, barriers, and... Oh, come on. You got better than that. Overshot that one a skosh. But he's still going. Checker flag.
Yeah, 15 or 16. 50.
Green flag in the air for the 1056. He's going to get sideways there. Can't handle all that heavy power. There's some air. Got a little squirrely there, buddy. I wonder if that guy's name's Squirrely Dan. Oh, hard lick into the wall for the 1056 machine.
Probably should have backed it down about 10%.
What was that, Dom?
Probably should have backed it down about 10%.
10%? Man, it happens. You ever seen that show on Hulu called Letterkenny?
Of course.
Squirrely Dan.
That's what I'm saying. Back her down about 10-20% there, Squirrely Dan.
Oh, yes, sir, Bob. Oh, drifting it in there. Man, I think he's got a self-washing bumper now. Crosses the finish line in style. Ladies and gentlemen, get up to the 1056 ride from Sandy Ann Motors.
I gotta say, that gets style points right there, no doubt.
Absolutely. Another Sandy Ann Motors ride. You gotta love these. You know, I'd almost be scared to drive that out here. Green flag in the air for the Sandy Ann Motors Expedition.
Oh, yeah!
Dude.
Here, send it.
Oh, good lick there for the Expedition. Got him through the sand pit. They're going to go to the big jump. Not as daring that time.
But I'll tell you, they're making it look pretty easy out there.
Yes, they are.
Shredding it.
Hard air. Oh, that was some undercarriage. There we go, over the big jump, see if he got some speed. No, but hey, look, he's got his hazard lights on, Dom. It's almost like you don't know which way to turn. And checkered flag will fly.
Definitely trying to outdo each other out there.
Yeah, it's a competition.
Look at this.
Got the buggy. It's the buggy.
Sounds like a crowd favorite out there, Joel.
Yeah, let's hear it, race fans with the green flag.
Don't stop.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the epitome of don't lift until you foresee Jesus.
Something like that.
Tom, look at that. He has the best time so far.
That doesn't surprise me. That little buggy.
He's here to compete. Listen to him load that thing up. Dom, that motor sounds healthier than your street stock motor, buddy.
Yeah, most things sound better than my motor.
It's okay. I still love it. Took that one slower if he's setting up for the big one for some big air. That'll grab the wall. But he's still going, no give out there. Well, Dom, you're from Michigan there.
Yeah, this is not uncommon.
Well, I'm just asking a question here. Is that kind of what a snowmobile looks like?
Similar.
Okay. So can we call this a mudmobile?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot of gear in that.
There is a lot of good. That is a cork monster. Freedom Ride, the 1776. Patriotic Mobile. He's going to rev that thing up. Green flag. Here he goes. Big air there.
Gotta say, this is a pretty clean pass.
Well, he just left some garbage there, Dom. You had to ruin it for him. Oh, and he's got a self-washing bumper too. Flat tire on the front end. Good run for the 1776. See, he's smart. He's got his radiator in the bed of his truck. It's quiet. Is that an electric one?
It is quiet.
Well, there's his drive line. I think.
Yep.
That's a drive line.
Looks like it's gonna go through on front wheel drive.
Yeah, we'll see here. Oh, that's unfortunate. Breaking a drive line here. First lap. Don't even get one in the books.
Yeah, and it's a two-wheel drive.
Green flag in the air for the old Chevy square body. Dude, that thing sounds real healthy.
Yeah, it sure does.
Wonder how, you know, those little square bodies don't turn on a dime. I wonder how it's going to do back here in the hairpin.
That guy got a driver.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,